Welcome to another video. This will be a comparison between generative AI. So we're going to have over here the same model, but outputted by three different tools. We're going to have Hitem3D, Rodin, and Tripo. And this will be the case study. If you're familiar with the content on my channel, you already saw various videos regarding this. So we're going to have a dragon that is sitting on a monastery position on the cliff. We're going to see over here that tail of the dragon in each model, how that has been generated. Over here, that totally is not represented, as we can see, but over here, we're going to have that continuity. Now, with the final texture with PBR materials, the model will look like this. But if I will swap this to viewport shading, we're going to see that in this case, the model on the right will be the one created with Rodin, and this will be kept at 1 million faces. I have over here individual meshes, segmentation. As you can see, we're going to have, in this case, Tripo, and we're going to have over here Hitem3D. Now, if you're going to rotate around the model, we're going to see that the overall details, in my opinion, for the model over here for Hitem3D, it has more geometry. But if you're going to take over here a closer look onto this model from Rodin, we're going to see that it will be a little bit better distributed, that geometry, in my opinion, even though it only has 1 million faces. And this is only visible with the texture. So this is how those two models will look. If I will slightly move this, let's say, closer so we can better analyze them, we're going to see them over here like this. We see overall that even though those details are not added within the geometry, they will be added within the final mesh, mainly within the texture. So we see over here the face for the dragon, for the model with Rodin, will be quite, let's say, lacking details, and this will be the final output, while we have the following one over here. And if I will enable the textures, it will look like this. And we have over here the final one made with Tripo. So this is the Hitem3D model. We see that it will also be a lot smoother, as we can see. The one with Tripo still has a lot of noise over here. And this has also been segmented, but we see over here the segmentation from Tripo will be like this. So just a cut within the surface, while the segmentation within Rodin will be like this. So it will actually fill those as individual components. And in my opinion, this is a big advantage. If you want to go further and work with those models, they will be fully filled. So not just a cut, there is less work to be done within the post-processing. Now, I'm really curious, what is your opinion regarding this? Which model do you consider to be the best in this case? We see, for example, the one over here made with Hitem3D, added some additional elements over here for the claw of the dragon, while the one using Tripo looks like this. And if you're going to check the one made by Rodin, it will have the following claw. So without texture, they will look like this, the claw for the dragon made with Rodin, the one using Hitem3D. We also have over here a visualization. If I will shade this to auto smooth, the mesh will look like this, so a little bit better. And this will be the one made using Tripo. Okay, so let me know in the comment section what is your preferred model in this case. I prefer, in this case, let's say mostly the one made with Rodin, because it has a lot more details on the back over here, especially with the texture enabled. But without the texture, I would have to say that maybe the model made with Hitem3D has a little bit better definition over here. While the one with Tripo will lack that tail over here, as we can see it. It will just have it over here on the front, but it will not be linked to the dragon. Let's also check the models directly on the platform. So this is the model made using Tripo, as you can see it over here. If I will disable the texture, over here within the viewport, it will move a lot more smoother. If I'm going to jump over here, this will be the model made with Rodin. And we're going to see that tail of the dragon, how it has been defined. Keep in mind that over here we had support for multi-views. And this is the model made using Hitem3D. Again, we have multi-reference image. For Tripo, this doesn't support multi-image references. If we want to use the Ultra HD mesh, that will be up to 2 million. And that is also one of the reasons why over here on the back, it didn't actually knew how to link those together. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I'm going to position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.